Hello everyone, in this video we will start exercise 7.3 chapter 7, that is coordinate geometry. So let's start. Question number 1 is find the area of triangle whose vertices are 2 3, minus 1 0 and 2 minus 4. So let's start. We know that the area of triangle is equals to 1 by 2 into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 square unit. So 1 by 2 into x1 we have as 2, so put it here as 2, y2 that is 0, so put 0, minus y3 that is minus 4, so this will be minus 4, so plus x2 that is minus 1, so minus 1 into y3, so y3 is here minus 4 minus of y1 that is 3, so minus 4 minus 3 plus x3 that is 2, so 2 into y1 that is 3 minus y2 that is 0. Now solve this. So 1 by 2 into 2 into 0 plus 4 becomes 4 plus minus 1 into minus 4 minus 3 become minus 7, so this is minus 7 plus 2, 3 minus 0 becomes 3, 3 into 2, or we can say 2 into 3 will remain same, square unit. The next part, 2 4 is 8 plus minus 1 into minus 7 become plus 7 plus 2 3 is 6. So now 1 by 2 into we have 8 plus 7 15, 15 plus 6 become 21. So we have 21 by 2, or we can say 10.5 square unit. This is the area of part number 1. So pause the video and note it down. So in the next part we are given coordinates as minus 5 minus 1, 3 minus 5, 5 2. So here x1 is minus 5, y1 is minus 1, x2 is 3, y2 is minus 5, x3 is 5 and y3 is 2. So now area of triangle by another method, that is alternate method. We can find by first method, and we have another alternate method, so we will do this sum by an alternate method, that is easy as compared to this. So area of triangle, area of required triangle, we can say area of triangle will be 1 by 2 into x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 next one y1. We can find area by this method also, so you can use this one, this is easy. So now x1 we have as minus 5, so minus 5, y1 is as minus 1, so next one x2 that is 3 and y2 is minus 5, then 5 and 2 x3 and y3, and repeat x1 and y1 in the last row, square unit. So now as we already discussed, now multiply this downward first and then add them. So minus 5 into minus 5 become plus 25, so we can write it as plus 25, then plus, now 3 into 2 becomes 6, so plus 6, plus now 5 into minus 1 become minus 5, so this will be minus 5. So now minus, now down to up we will have to subtract, so 3 into minus 1 become minus 3, so minus 3, next minus 5 into minus 5 minus 25, so this will be minus 25, minus 5 into 2 becomes minus 10, so square unit. So this will be 1 by 2 into we have 25 plus 6 minus 5 plus 3 plus 25 and plus 10. So this will be, we have 25 plus 25 50 plus 10 60, 66 and 69 minus 5 becomes 64. So this will be 1 by 2 into we have 64, or this will be 32 square unit. This is the area of triangle with the vertices minus 5 minus 1, 3 minus 5, 5 2. So pause the video and note it down. The next problem, that is question number 2. In each of the following find the value of k for which the points are collinear. So we have given points as 7 minus 2, 5 1, 3k. So these 3 points are collinear, means all these points lies on a same line. So we can say all these 3 points are collinear, so area of triangle will be 0. So we can say as 7 minus 2, 5 1 and 3k are collinear. Therefore area of triangle will be equals to 0. That is, we can say, we can use both formulas. First one we will use this one, so that is x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 equals to 0. So put all the values. So x1 we have as 7, so 7. Y2 we have as 1, you can see, minus y3, that is k, so this will be k, plus x2, that is 5. Y3 we have as k, minus y1 as minus of 2, so this become plus 2, plus x3 we have as 3, and y1 we have as minus 2, and y2 is 1. So this will be 7 minus 7k plus 5k plus 10 minus 2 minus 1 become minus 3, minus 3 into 3 becomes minus 9 equals to 0. So we can say, you can see, minus 7 plus 5 becomes minus 2k, minus 7k plus 5k become minus 2k, and here it is 10 plus 7, 17 minus 9 becomes 8, so we will have plus 8 equals to 0. So now minus 2k equals to, we have minus 8, and k will be minus 8 upon 2, minus 2, so minus sign will be cancelled, 2 4 ja 8, so we have k as, 2 4 8, so we have k as 4. So in the next part, that is part number 2, we have given points as 8 1, k minus 4, 2 minus 5. So as given points are collinear and we need to find the value of k, so as given points are collinear, so area of triangle will be 0. As given points are collinear, so area of triangle is 0. That is, we can say by another method we are doing the sum. So x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, and x1 y1 equals to 0. So put all the values in this. X1 we have as 8, so 8 1, k minus 4, 2 minus 5, and 8 1 again. So this is equals to 0. So now multiply the cross, you can see. So first 8 4 is 32, so this will become minus 32, plus k into minus 5 becomes minus 5k, so minus 5k, plus 2 into 1 becomes 2, so minus, now down to up, so k into 1 becomes k, so minus k, minus of 2 into minus 4 become minus 8, so this will be minus 8, and minus of 8 into minus 5 becomes minus 40, so this will be minus 40 equals to 0. Now minus 32 minus 5k plus 2 minus k plus 8 plus 40 equals to 0. So now we have minus k and minus 5k becomes minus 6k, so this will be minus 6k. So 40 plus 8 become 48, plus 2, that is 50. 50 minus 32 becomes plus 18, so this is plus 18, we have equals to 0. So we have minus 6k plus 18 equals to 0. So minus 6k equals to minus 18, or we can say k equals to minus 18 by minus 6. So minus sign will be cancelled, and 6 3 ja 18, so we have k as 3. So this is part number 2 of question number 2. So pause the video and note it down. Next problem, that is question number 3. Find the area of triangle formed by the midpoints of sides of triangle whose vertices are 0 minus 1, 2 1, and 0 3. Find the ratio of this area to the area of given triangle. So we have let A 0 minus 1, B 2 1, and C 0 3 be the vertices of triangle A B C, you can see from the figure. So and D, E, and F are the midpoints of respectively sides BC, CA, and AB respectively. So now first of all we need to find the midpoints, that is D, E, and F, by using midpoint formula. Then we will find the area of this triangle DEF, and then we will find the area of ABC, and in the end we will find the ratio of this area to the whole triangle. So let's start. So coordinates of, by using, directly we can say by using midpoint formula, by using midpoint formula, coordinates of point D will be, so coordinates of point D will be, we have coordinates of point D, that is 2 plus 0, so x1 plus x2, 2 plus 0 by 2 for x coordinate, and for y coordinate we will add the y coordinates corresponding, so 1 plus 3 by 2. This will become 2 plus 0 become 2, 2 by 2 becomes 1, so coordinates of D will be 1, and 1 plus 3 become 4, 4 by 2 becomes 2, so coordinates of D are 1 and 2. We can say 1 and 2 we have coordinates of D, so we have D as 1, 2. So similarly we are to find the coordinates of point E. So for E we'll have to add 0 plus 0, so 0 plus 0 by 2, and minus 1 plus 3, so minus 1 plus 3 by 2. So coordinates of E will be 0 plus 0 becomes 0, 0 by 2 becomes 0. So minus 1 plus 3 becomes plus 2 by 2 becomes 1. So coordinates of E are 0 and 1 we have. So, and in the end we have to find coordinates of midpoint F, we can say. So for F we will have to add 0 and 2, so 0 plus 2 by 2, and minus 1 plus 1, so this will be minus 1 plus 1 by 2. So coordinate of F will be 2 plus 0 becomes 2, 2 by 2 becomes 1, and minus 1 plus 1 becomes 0, 0 by 2 becomes 0, so this is 1, 0. So we have find the coordinates of D, E and F. So now we will find the area of this triangle DEF. So now area of triangle DEF, that will be 1 by 2 x1 y1 so x1 v1 y1 we have as 1 2, so x2 y2 we have as 0 and 1, then x3 y3 we have as 1 0, and last in the end we will repeat x1 y1 square unit. So this will be 1 by 2. Now do the cross multiplication. So 1 into 1 becomes 1, then plus 0 into 0 becomes 0, then plus 1 into 2 becomes 2, then minus in the upward, so 0 into 2 becomes 0, then minus 1 into 1 become 1, so minus 1, and 1 into 0 becomes 0, so minus 0 square unit. So 1 by 2, 1 plus 2 become 3, 3 minus 1, or you can say directly minus 1 plus 1 cancelled, so we will have 2, so 2 1 2, so 1 and 2 1 becomes 1 square unit. This is the area of triangle DEF. So now area of triangle ABC will be 1 by 2 x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3 and x1 y1. So put all the values. So x1 y1 is we are having with 0 minus 1, and x2 y2 we have as 2 1, x3 y3 we have as 0 3, and in the end we will repeat x1 y1. So square unit. So solve this. So do the cross multiplication, you can say. So 0 into 1 becomes 0, plus 2 into 3 becomes 6, plus 0 into minus 1 becomes 0, minus 2 into minus 1 become minus 2, minus 0 into minus 1 become 0, minus 0 into 3 becomes 0. So square unit 1 by 2 square unit है. So 6 plus 2 square unit. So this will be 1 by 2 into 8, 2 4 ja 8, so we can say 4 square unit is the area of required triangle ABC. So now we are to find the ratio of area of triangle DEF by area of triangle ABC. So area of triangle DEF is 1 square unit and area of triangle ABC is 4 square unit. So ratio will be 1:4. This is the required result. So pause the video and note it down. In the next problem, that is question number 4, find the area of quadrilateral whose vertices are taken in order A, that is we can say A minus 4 minus 2, B as minus 3 minus 5, and C as 3 minus 2, and D as 2 3. So let A we already mentioned A as minus 4 minus 2, B as minus 3 minus 5, C as 3 minus 2 sorry, D as 2 or 3, be the vertices of quadrilateral ABCD. So area of quadrilateral will be, we are doing this by alternate method, that is easy method. So 1 by 2, put all the coordinates here, x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 x4 y4 in the end or last row. We will repeat the first coordinates, so x1 y1 square units. So area of quadrilateral ABCD will be 1 by 2 into x1 y1, that is minus 4 minus 2, x2 y2, that is minus 3 minus 5, x3 y3, that is 3 minus 2, and x4 y4, that is 2 3, and in the end we will repeat x1 y1, that is minus 4 minus 2 square unit. So now 1 by 2 into minus 4 into minus 5 become plus 20, so plus 20 plus, then minus 3 into minus 2 becomes plus 6, then next one 3 3 is 9 plus 2 to the minus 4, 2 into minus 2 become minus 4, so minus 4. So now minus upward, minus 3 into minus 2 become plus 6, so minus 3 into minus 5 become minus 15, so minus 15, so minus 2 into minus 2 become minus 4, so minus 4 here, and minus 4 into 3 becomes minus 12, so minus 12. So 1 by 2, 20 plus 6 plus 9 minus 4 minus 6 plus 15 plus 4 plus 12 we have as square unit. So minus plus 6 minus 6 will be cancelled, minus 4 plus 4 will be cancelled, so rest of the value will be added. So we will have as 20 plus 9 become 29, 34, 44, 46, 56, so we have 56. So 228 becomes 56, so 28 square unit is the area of quadrilateral ABCD. So pause the video and note it down. So the next problem, that is question number 5. You have studied in the class 9 chapter 9 that a median of a triangle divide it into two triangles of equal area. So verify this result for triangle ABC whose vertices are A 4 minus 6, B 3 minus 2, and C as 5 2. So we need to prove the median in a triangle divides the given triangle into triangles of equal area by using the area of triangle formula. So here we have triangle ABC with the vertices A as 4 minus 6, B as 3 minus 2, and C as 5 2. So we need to find a median in a triangle divides a triangle into two triangles of equal area. So let AD be the median of triangle ABC. So AD is the median of triangle ABC, and we know the median. What the median is? Median is a line segment that connects opposite vertex to the midpoint of opposite side. So D is the midpoint. So we can say then D is the midpoint of BC. So now by using midpoint formula, coordinates of D will be x1 plus x2 by 2. So 3 plus 5. Add the x coordinates, then divide it by 2. So 3 plus 5 by 2 and minus 2 plus 2 by 2. So this will be 4 0. So coordinates of D are 4 0. So now we need to find the area of triangle this ABD and this triangle ADC. So we will find area of triangle. We can say now area of triangle ABD, that will be 1 by 2 into x1. We can say x1 here. So 4 into minus 6, then x2 y2, that is 3 minus 2, and x3 y3, that is 4 0. You can see, and in the end we will repeat x1 y1. So this will be 4 and minus 6 square unit. So next step, in the end, next step will be, we'll have, so 4 into minus 2 becomes minus 8 plus 3 into 0 becomes 0, and then 4 into minus 6 become minus 24. So minus 3 into minus 6 become minus 18, and 4 into minus 2 become minus 8, and minus of 4 into 0 become 0 square unit. So this will be 1 by 2 into minus 8 minus 24 plus 18 and plus 8 square unit. So plus 8 and minus 8 will be cancelled. Minus 24 plus 8, 18. so this will become minus 6. So 1 by 2 into minus 6, and this will be minus 3 square unit. But we all know area of triangle can't be negative, so take absolute value, that is 3 square unit. We already discussed about the absolute value. What the absolute value is, take the modulus, that will convert the negative value into positive value. So that is absolute value. We have to take this only positive value, as the area of triangle can't be negative. So area of triangle will be 3 square unit. So now area of triangle ADC will be 1 by 2 x1 y1, that is 4 minus 6, x2 y2 4 0, and x3 y3 5 2, and 4 minus 6 will be repeated again. So this will be 4 into 0 becomes 0, plus 4 into 2 becomes 8, and 5 into minus 6 become minus 30. So this will be minus 30. So now minus 4 into minus 6 become minus 24. So minus 24 minus 5 into 2 becomes, 5 into 0 becomes 0, and 4 into 2 becomes 8 square unit. So this will be 0 plus 8 becomes 8, minus 30, then plus 24, and this minus 8 square unit. So now minus 8 plus 8 will be cancelled. So we have minus 30 plus 24 become minus 6. This will again minus 3 square unit. But you all know area can't be negative, so take absolute value, that is positive value. So this will be plus 3 square unit. So now we have area of triangle. Here we can say here triangle, area of triangle, that is ABD, and area of triangle ADC is equals to 3 square unit. So thus we can say, thus a median in a triangle, thus a median in a triangle divides it in two triangles of equal areas. So this is all about exercise 7.3. So if you learn from this video, then you can subscribe my channel and share this video as much as you can. Thanks for watching.